Do you know what's holding your business back and what's already working? Now, most people guess, but the smart ones, they map it out. And when you're moving fast, it's easy to overlook the obvious, but if you don't regularly assess your business, you'll end up fixing the wrong problems or missing out on your biggest opportunities. And that's where a simple SWOT analysis comes in, because it helps you step back and see the truth. You can see what's working, what's not working so well, what could help, what could hurt. And it's not just strategic, it's empowering. So if you want more clarity and be able to make better decisions, here's how to do a powerful SWOT in under 30 minutes. The place you start is by listing your current strengths. What do your customers love that you do? What's working well? Where are you outperforming your competition? And then you want to call out your weaknesses, honestly. You need to be real. What's draining your resources? Where are you inconsistent or vulnerable? And thirdly, you want to spot the opportunity and threats. So you want to look outside your business for industry trends and shifts, competitive changes, new tools, or upcoming risks. Now, whatever you do, do not underestimate the power this process can give you and the clarity you're going to get that will make your strategy sharper and more focused than your competitors. Okay, your momentum move for today. Grab a piece of paper or do it on a whiteboard and divide it into 4 sections and label each section either strengths, weaknesses, opportunity, threats. And then invest just 5 minutes brainstorming each section. And start by being honest, not perfect. Also, share in the comments your top tips for completing a SWOT analysis, because it might be the light bulb moment someone else's needs. Now let me ask you, what if you could turn all that insight into a focused 90-day strategy? That's exactly what I'm going to be diving into tomorrow.